With vehicle and security becoming increasingly important, more drivers are turning to GPS trackers for real-time monitoring, theft prevention, and fleet management. The right tracker can provide peace of mind, offering accurate location data. List 9. The Tracky Pro GPS Tracker delivers exceptional long-term tracking with an impressive battery life of up to 7 months on a single charge, making it ideal for those who prefer minimal maintenance. Built with USA-made technology, this tracker ensures pinpoint location accuracy using 4G LTE networks. Its compact size allows for discreet placement inside the vehicle, while it's geofencing. List 2. The Mini GPS Tracker offers stealthy, reliable tracking with a powerful built-in magnetic mount, making installation quick and tool-free. It attaches securely to any metal surface under or inside the car, staying hidden from plain sight. Supporting real-time GPS tracking, it lets you monitor your car's location from your smartphone with high precision. The tracker is powered by a rechargeable battery and includes a standby mode for power efficiency. Designed for anti-theft and personal vehicle monitoring. List 3. The Benbengo OBD GPS Tracker is a plug-and-play solution, ideal for those who prefer hassle-free installation. Simply connect it to your vehicle's OBD2 port, and it starts tracking instantly. Perfect for fleet management or personal cars, it offers real-time location updates, route history, and even vehicle health diagnostics. The tracker works with 4G LTE connectivity, ensuring fast and accurate updates. It also supports geofencing alerts, notifying you when the vehicle enters or leaves a designated area. List 4. This mini real-time GPS tracker offers precise location tracking without monthly subscription fees, making it a budget-friendly choice. Enclosed in a durable weatherproof case, it's built to withstand rain, dust, and harsh driving conditions. Its strong magnetic base ensures secure attachment to your vehicle. List 5. The Rewire Security DB2 is a hardwired GPS tracker designed for maximum reliability. By connecting directly to your vehicle's electrical system, it ensures constant power and uninterrupted tracking. It offers live GPS updates, route history, and geofence alerts, making it a strong option for both private car owners and fleet managers. The device is compact enough for hidden installation,